Good morning, Clearbrow, North Dallas. We're in middle August 2025. Getting ready to start the day here. Just going to go over what we're doing this week. Full wrap on this Panamera, ceramic coating on the wheels. We're going to remove this window film that was put on here. Don't know who, and this strip. I'm not a big fan of those. Whatever you call that thing. Porsche GT3. This is a full wrap we did here a while back. Here's another 911 that we got in. We did this car 4 years ago, and it's back because it had they park on a high rise, and people like to get a little close, so they were scuffing the bumpers up. All we did was remove the film from the front and rear bumper and one of the doors. No paint damage at all, no denting. This one's here for was a full correction. A lot of touch-up. We do some touch-up. It takes time. But like on this one here, we had some touch-up here. And we get it as flat as we can get it and then touch it up. It looks pretty good. The PPF's over it. You don't see it by camera, but in person, you can make out a little bit of it. But this is a full car. We're moving the tint on that. Redoing that with the XPEL XR Plus. And full everything, carbon fiber. Ceramic coat the wheels, and then we're coming over to this Vet that came in 2025 Z06. This is going to be a track pack with ceramic, full window film. This is a Equinox electric vehicle. This is just a full front end and nothing else on that. Back here we have a little Miata from 2011. That's a track pack that's leaving today. That sits on a battery tender. Some of these cars have sensitive battery. Here's a mirror we're finishing up. Bulk mirror. We like to get the whole, it's like a basketball, but it has to be done in two sections. The mirror stocks were done, the full front's done. This A-pillar, we wrapped this in. It was done, this car was done once, but now it's all wrapped in. There's no edges, it's underneath. All the rubber, we lift that rubber back and clean to get it perfect. This Ram's here for a full wrap as well. And then this M8. It's almost all done, and that's it. Outside we have a couple more, but that's on the schedule for the rest of this week and weekend. Appreciate you guys watching. ClearbrowNorthDallas.com.